Keep this a secret. Yes, I'm serious. What you're about to hear isn't for just anyone. There's a reason it's been whispered, not published. Passed in silence, not posted on screens. Because this isn't a technique. It's a frequency, a pattern, a code. And when spoken, not casually but consciously, it moves reality around you. Some call it a manifestation. Others say it's quantum alignment, but let's not label it. Because when the universe is listening, it doesn't respond to words, it responds to energy. This is the part they don't teach you. It's not about hoping, it's about syncing. And in the next 2 minutes, if you're ready, you'll feel the shift. But here's the thing. If you treat this like a trend, a gimmick, a game, it won't work. Because this is a direct signal to the unseen layers of the universe. And it only answers those who are fully tuned in. So if your heart is open, if your breath is steady, if your inner voice has whispered, "I'm ready," then continue. If not, scroll away now. This energy doesn't wait. You see, the ancient stargazers believed in certain vibrational doorways, not just full moons or solar alignments, but moments of silence, where the fabric of reality becomes thin, where your words don't just echo, they imprint. And right now, you're in that moment. Yes, right now. Not because of the date, not because of the stars, but because your soul found this message. You were magnetized to this voice, to this frequency, to this exact timing. That means the universe is already responding. Now, before we begin, write this in the comments if you're aligned. I call wealth through the code of light. That one sentence written with intention is your key. It's the first ripple, the one that triggers a wave. And when it comes back to you, it won't be small. It'll arrive as sudden money, a refund you forgot, a payment you weren't expecting, a shift in opportunity that changes everything. Not because of luck, but because you finally matched the frequency. So breathe in and breathe out. We're about to begin. Whisper this with reverence. 2 minutes is all it takes. But your energy must be all in. Whisper now. I accept the code of alignment. I am no longer reaching. I am attracting. I do not chase wealth. I allow wealth to find me. I trust the field that connects everything, and I place my signal into it now. With love, with clarity, with calm expectation. Money appear in the form that serves my highest path. Opportunities arrive with the timing that blesses all. Unexpected help show up now. I am ready. I am receptive. I am clear. I don't demand. I resonate. I don't beg. I believe. Right now, the space around me is changing. Right now, I'm being remembered by the intelligence of the universe. Right now, the energy of abundance is no longer a concept. It is real. It is here. In my phone, in my mailbox, and in my inbox, in my timeline. I feel it weaving into my reality. I no longer fight time. I collapse it. What was far away is now near. What was stuck is now flowing. What was impossible is now inevitable. I don't need proof to believe. I believe, and then the proof arrives. Thank you, universe, for aligning this message with me. Thank you for every force working in silence to bless me. Thank you for all the hidden hands that are already helping. I allow wealth in. I allow ease in. I allow support in. Let it be instant or let it be perfect. Either way, I am aligned. I whisper not from fear, but from power, not to plead, but to command. I speak this code, and the quantum listens. I send this signal, and the unseen responds. Let it begin. Let it unfold. Let it arrive. Let's go even deeper now. If you're still here, it's because your spirit is resonating. So whisper again, slower this time. Let your energy soften and expand. Say it not like a wish, but like a reality already arriving. I no longer see money as something outside me. I see it as something within me, reflected in form. I no longer believe I must deserve abundance. I know I was born from it. The universe has no shortage, only alignment, and I now align, not just in words, but in rhythm, not just in thoughts, but in vibration. From this moment forward, I expect the extraordinary. I notice miracles before they become visible. I feel wealth arriving before it arrives. I release guilt. I release timelines. I release struggle. Money is no longer earned through pain. It flows through resonance. Let my voice carry my vibration. Let my vibration carry my intention. Let my intention open the gate. Right now, not someday, not next month, not when everything is perfect. Right now, I am a receiver of wealth. I align with joy. I align with clarity. I align with divine precision. Now, keep your eyes closed just a moment longer. Feel your body. Notice what shifted. If even one part of you felt chills, if even one thought felt like, this is for me, then it was. The shift has already started. The universe doesn't need hours, it needs alignment. And you just gave it exactly that. And this isn't a fantasy, it's frequency. Watch for the signs, a number that keeps repeating, a name that shows up again and again, an opportunity that was silent suddenly calling your name, a bill that gets erased, a door that opens when you stopped knocking, a message, a refund, a yes, out of nowhere. You're not imagining the signals, you're becoming them. And when they arrive, return. Tell your story, not for attention, but to become proof for someone else. Because just like you, someone is still waiting to believe, and your story might be their signal. But for now, sit with the silence. Money from nowhere is already on its way. Let your phone light up. Let your mailbox surprise you. Let reality soften its grip on and give. Because you whispered, and the universe heard every word. And one more thing. Don't wait for the world to confirm your miracle. Become it. Because the moment you act like it's already happened, it begins happening. The universe doesn't respond to waiting. It responds to certainty, to presence. So start walking differently. Look at your life like the breakthrough already arrived. Smile for no reason. Clean your space like you're preparing for something sacred. Leave space in your wallet, because what's meant to fill it is on the way. The cosmos loves preparation, and preparation is a form of belief. You don't need to force this. You don't need to explain why it's happening. You only need to receive. Let the whispers continue. Let your alignment be your anchor. Let reality adjust to your energy, not the other way around. And if your heart feels calm after this, if your breath is slower, if you somehow know that something shifted, then it did. This isn't a ritual. This is remembrance. This is you finally remembering who you really are. A magnet for every good thing. A tuning fork for divine wealth. A living example of what happens when belief becomes embodiment. Let the money come. Let the ease come. Let the story begin.